Hello, Shahina.
Hello.
All right, welcome back. Are you all right? Did you have rest, some break?
Yeah.
Good. Shahina, let's continue. Let's finish it quickly. Now let's try to do faster, okay? Can you? Okay, now I will allow you to open that. Okay. Okay. Now you can share your screen with me.
This one. This one, right?
CD. We were doing CD, right? Or EF?
EF. EF.
EF. Okay, good.
Okay.
Shahina, the CD and these things, we can actually close it. We don't need them at the top.
This one.
Yeah, CD. We already finished, right? So,
Yeah.
okay. And also that CD, close
So,
it.
did I save it?
Also
Let's
close
just
this
see.
one.
Okay. Let me just. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Then. All right. CF, EF. Okay. Let's go. Continue with question 5.
Okay. If
Oh,
a
it's
horse.
too big. Can you just small a little bit? Okay.
If a horse runs at b kilometers per hour, how far can it go in 2 hours if it keeps the same speed? So it's b times 2.
Yeah, that's just right. D equals is time times speed, right? That's right. D equals
B.
S times T or T times S. Not B, D, distance.
D. Oh, okay. D. D equals
S times T, that is speed and T. Then after the
times
substitute, what is
2
given here? What is speed? It says B.
B. So uh, do we multiply it, right?
Yeah, it is B
Multiply
times 2, right? Here speed is B equals,
times.
Sahina, equals.
Oh, did that?
Yeah,
Okay.
B times 2.
Equals B times 2. Okay.
So now we can simplify. That's equal to 2B kilometers, right? Dot, 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 2B
Dot dot
kilometers.
dot. Kilometers.
Very good.
Should I save it? Or I think how many minutes are in m hours? M times 60, right?
Uh-huh.
M times 60, so 60 m.
Minutes, right?
Um, minutes.
Okay.
Okay, there we go. How many weeks are in Y days? Y divided by 7.
Very good. Just write dot, 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 y divided by 7 days, Shahina. The important thing is you understand that's
Divided by 7.
days, right? Days.
7 days.
Okay.
Okay.
Shahina, if there's only one line here, you don't have to put this in circle. Usually we put in circle if
Oh,
there are a lot of stuff to emphasize that your answer, final answer is there. But here it's clear, so you don't have to put it in circle. Okay, let's continue.
okay.
8.
Just gonna save it just in case. If Dan has X dollars, how many marbles can he buy if each marble costs 5 cents? X
If Dan
dollars.
has X dollars, how many marbles can he buy if each marble costs 5 cents?
X times 5, right?
In this kind of Shahina, actually, if you are asked to show your work, how would you solve this? As I showed earlier, X dollars, right? How many marbles can he buy if each marble costs 5 cents? So here we have one marble, sorry. One, oh my gosh, sorry. Here, one marble, right, costs how much? It is 5 cents. So it is 5 cents. The question is, if then as X dollars, if he has X dollars, right, how many marbles can he buy? How many marbles? Let's say he can buy N marbles. Here the question is, we need to find N, okay? So as you see here, cent, it is dollar. Either we should change cent into dollar or dollar into cent. Which one is easier? So here we have X dollars. I can change this into cents. So here we have that's equal to 100 X cents, right? And after that, cross multiply 1 times 100X. Here we have 100X equals N times 5. That is 5N. We are looking for N, right? From this equation, not X. We have to find N. How can I find this? Divide both sides by 5. So N equals 100X over 5. And we know how to simplify this. 100 is divided by 5. That is 20X. So dot, dot, dot. Then can buy 20X marbles for X dollars. Okay, Shahin, it says, because here it's all about like rate problems. Here, one marble costs 5 cents. If you have X dollars, how many marbles can you buy? Always write like this and cross multiply so that you don't get confused. Okay? Can you do it again like this? Starting from the top, from the left-hand side. So here, one marble, right? No, start from the left hand. Yeah, start from there. So we may need more space here. One marble. First, one marble, arrowhead, 5 cents, right?
One marble, X, 5 cents. That's a marble. Okay.
So just write this under the marble, Shahina, under the marble. So we can buy N marbles. So what is that X, Shahina? What is this X?
Oh, wait, that's the dollars.
Because first we are writing this given information, right? It says here each marble costs 5 cents. So now you need to write here one marble costs 5 cents, like this.
Oh, okay. One marble costs.
Yeah, write us closer.
5, 6, okay. 5 cents and.
So how many marbles can he buy, right? We don't know. Let's say he can buy N marbles. So here it says that how many marbles? We don't know. So we assume that we can buy N marbles for X dollars.
For X dollars. Okay.
As you see here on the left-hand side, marble, marble, we have no problem. But on the right-hand side, we have cent and we have dollar. So we have to convert them into the same unit, right? So which one is easier? Change X into cents.
So that's like X cents. So that's going to be.
So instead of X dollars, actually you can just delete and you can write 100 X cents, right? Because X dollars equals 100 X cents. And when you're solving problems, Shahin, always you should be careful with the units. They must be the same so that we can cancel them out. Okay, 100x. Now cent. When we cross multiply, they cancel out each other. Now cross multiply. Draw a line.
What's that?
Draw a line under this marble, like this, right? Like this.
Oh.
Okay, now cross multiply. 1 times 100x. It is 100x, right?
X, that is 100 and X.
Yeah, we are just cross multiplying like this, right?
X,
Cross.
N times 5, that is N, 5N.
So 1 times 100x, that is 100x, equals, okay, and 5 times n, that is 5n.
5N.
And units are the same, so they just already canceled out. What do we have to find from this equation, Shahina? We need to find n, right? So how do we actually leave n alone on one side? So we should divide both sides by 5. Right, n equals
N equals
100x.
100x divided by 5.
Yeah.
And
Actually, Ryan, when you're writing this, you need to write this fraction line between the equal sign. It's like n equals,
yeah.
right? Fraction line here. Actually, I know with tablet it's a bit weird, but okay. So now can you simplify this? That's what we are looking for.
Yeah, so that's 20x. 20x. So n equals to 20x.
20x marbles, that's it. Dot, dot, dot.
Dot, dot, dot.
Then can buy
Then by
20x marbles
20x or
$4x.
4x dollars.
Okay.
Okay, save that. Cut. Oh no, I keep doing that. Write the number which is half as big as b.
Half as big as b. What is it?
So b divided by 2.
Or 1/2 times b. That's better.
Oh, 1/2 times b.
Yeah, 1/2 times b. That is half as big as b, right? It's multiplied. All right, very good. Question 10.
Find the time taken by a cyclist to travel 21 kilometers if he is traveling at 3 kilometers per hour.
Find the time taken by a cyclist to travel 21 kilometers if he's traveling at v. So what is given here? Distance is given, speed is given. We need to find time, right?
Distance is 21 kilometers. That is v. Right?
Okay, now first write the time. How do you find the time? Time equals distance over speed, right? D over S. Right, T, China, T equals,
T.
yeah, just before the right, T equals, you don't have to delete it, right? In front, T equals D over S, distance over speed, right?
Distance over speed. Okay.
So now substitute what is given here. Always, Shahina, first, if possible, write the formula, then substitute. Then you don't actually get confused with the question. No, Shahina, why are you writing there? Just write next to D over S.
That's 21.
Right, equals. Okay, over, what is S?
Right?
Okay, simplify now. That's equal to kilometer, they can simplify each other. And what is the unit of time? It is hours, right? Just write 21 over V hours equals
21 over V hours.
Hour. That's it.
So it was dot, dot, dot. 41 over
Actually,
V.
Shahina, you need to write dot, dot, dot after this T in the last
Oh,
line. Okay, step by step.
um,
No, 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 not here. Here, Shahina, why don't you write here? Okay, you did this your work, right? Now here, write dot, dot, dot. T equals 21 over V hours.
2 equals 21 over 3 hours. Um,
Okay. All right, let's save it.
okay. A shoekeeper buys an armchair for $8 and then sells it as a profit of $B. What is the selling price of the armchair?
Okay. Usually in this kind of question, Shahina, you always remember that. For example, if you buy a book, you just read it. Let's say you buy a book for $50 and you read this. After 3 months, you don't want to keep it because after all, you just read one or two times, right? You don't read it again and again. And if you sell this to your friend, it's already used book. You cannot buy at new book's price, right? So you need to
Yeah.
actually offer cheaper price. Let's say for $40. So now you bought it for $50. You're selling for $40. You're losing some money, right? Actually, we call this loss in business. And how about like this? You're doing small business and you buy, for example, let's say, what is it? You buy a book from Amazon and sell this to your friend. You buy for $50 and selling to your friend for $60. So the difference is you're making money here. So this relationship, simply, Shahina, this if you're making profit, always this profit equals sale price, that is CSP minus cost price, okay? If you just write, remember this thing, again, you don't get confused. Here, a shopkeeper buys an armchair for $8. What is it? This one is cost price for him. And then sells it at the profit of this. What is this one? It is profit. And what is the selling price of the armchair? We are looking for SP. Let's say that SP is X. So here, profit, what is it? B dollars equals selling price, I don't know. And how much did we pay for the armchair? We paid $8, right? Now from here, we need to find SP. Just take A to the left-hand side. And what is the selling price of the armchair? That is, take to this side, becomes plus. That is A plus B dollars. Right? And what is actual selling price? Because you buy for B dollars and you're adding some amount, that's your profit, and sell this to somebody else, right?
Okay.
Okay. Like for example, let's say you buy a book and you pay, for example, from Amazon, $50. And on the way, somebody sees your book, says, oh, Shahina, your book is so nice. Can you sell this to me? And you say that, okay, I spent a lot of time. Now I can sell this to you for $60. And that is the cost price that you pay for this book. And now you are selling this to your friend. That's why it's called selling price. And what is the difference? That is, you're making here profit. That's P, profit. And what is your profit? That is your selling price, right? $60 minus cost price. That is $50. So that's your profit.
Okay.
Okay. Let's move to another question. Question 11.
A boy is B years old and his father is 6 times as old as him. Find the father's age. Find also the sum of their ages in year time. So it's B times 6, right? The
Yeah.
first part?
Shahina, when you are solving age problems, I suggested to draw a table. Okay, here, for example, let's say we are talking about two people, right? Draw a table. And here we are talking about only one time, all right. Here it says father and boy. Let's say F, father, boy, B, right? And their age now. And it says that boy is B years old. So boy is B. and father is 6 times as old as him. So it is 6b, right? Find the father's age. So that is father's age is 6b. Find also the sum of their age in years time. In years time, find their age in years time. I think something is missing here. I will correct it. Let's say in 5 years time. Let's say m years time. If you just think that is m years time, that means that after m years, right? After m years, father will be 6b plus m. And how about the boy? Boy will be b plus m. Right now,
I can't
boys.
see the table.
Huh?
I can't see the table. It's like covered with the what do you call it?
You cannot see the table?
No,
Okay.
like so, like that because it was all the way that corner.
Yeah. Okay. Can you draw?
Right, which is a big one. So like this, like this, right?
Uh-huh.
And what's it have? So it's B and
F. Father. F.
okay.
So boy
And
is b years old. Let's say just b.
B,
And father is 6 times, right? So that's 6b.
B times oh 6B. Okay.
Okay. So the first part of the question says, find the father's age. So how old is the father now? It is 6b years old.
So the first part is the father is the father is 60 years. That right? Uh, so is it 6B plus B or 7B? It's 7B, right?
Find also the sum of their age in years time. But here, Shahina, something is missing, okay? Can you just think that here we have in m years time, m years time. How do you answer this question? M years time means after m years, right? What will be the sum of their age? After m years, what will be the boy's age?
Uh, BL or MB.
B plus m, right? B
B
plus
plus
m
M.
after m years. How about father's age?
6B plus M. Or
6b
M
plus
plus
m. Let's just write their sum of their age. So that is b plus m in brackets plus,
oh, the brackets. Plus
and father's age. It is 6b plus m in parentheses.
6B plus M into
So that's it, right? The sum of their age after m years. So now just simplify and
that's so we do B minus 6B, right? Plus
minus 6b. Why minus 6b, Shahina?
because
What is
it's
b plus
plus
6b?
huh?
What is b plus 6b?
7B. Oh,
It's 7b. No, no, Shahina. Okay, just simplify. B plus 6b, that's 7b, right? 7b.
7B
7b plus, what is m plus
plus
m?
2M.
2m. That's it.
That's the answer.
So we had just found the sum of their age after m years. All right.
Mrs. Jones' age is equal to the sum of the ages of her two daughters. If the young If the younger daughter is X years old and the elder is the 4 years older, how old is Mrs. Jones? So that's X plus
Shahina, first, can we
X
just
plus
write
4.
in 3 lines? We are talking about 3 different people, right? So if the younger daughter is X years older and the elder is X years old, oh, that is too small. It's okay.
I can make it bigger. So maybe here.
So the younger daughter and elder daughter.
So it's that. This. So Mrs. Jones is like that. And
Just write YD. That means younger daughter. YD, Shahina. Just
ID and ED.
okay. That one is ED. ED. Okay. And here, the important thing is if you understand.
Okay.
First, it says that the younger daughter is X years old, right? So let's just write X next to that younger daughter. And it says that the elder is 4 years older. So that is X plus 4. And what does it says? It says that Mr. Jones' age is equal to the sum of the ages of her two daughters. What is the sum of X and X plus 4? That is just 2X plus 4. Shahina, first simplify mentally and write the answer. What is X plus X plus 4?
2X plus 4.
That is 2X plus 4, right? And what is the question? How old is Mrs. Jones? Oh, Mrs. Jones. Okay, they're your mother, I think. So dot, dot, dot. Mrs. Jones is 2X plus 4 years old.
Mrs. Jones and 2X
Shahina, why did you
plus.
leave a lot of space between the table and your answer? Why?
Oh,
As you see here, you can write everything in one line and always write your final answer, Shahina, at the bottom. So that's, yeah, right there, dot, dot, dot. Mrs. Jones is 2X plus 4 years old.
2X plus 4 years old.
Shahina, is that all? There's only one sentence, so you don't have to put this in circle. If you have a lot of sentences, you can just put it the final answer. So there's only one sentence, no need.
Okay.
Okay.
Find 3 consecutive numbers in which n is the middle number.
Okay, 3 consecutive numbers. If n is a middle number, can you draw a line like this, Shahina? First, let's say here we have the middle number is n, and here we have something like this, right?
With that?
Yeah. So what is the first number? These are consecutive, right? It's just consecutive numbers. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So if n is in the middle, the previous number must be n minus 1.
Minus 1, and this could be n plus 1.
Yeah, n plus 1, because it's not, they didn't say that consecutive even numbers, consecutive odd numbers, just consecutive numbers. 1, 2, consecutive numbers, 2, 3, right? 3, 4, or 3, 4, 5, 3 consecutive numbers. So that's it. N minus 1, n plus 1. Okay. Because next time when you see in the problems, you need to label like the Shahina. Because soon we will solve problems related to these things. Okay.
Okay.
15.
A motorist drives for 5 hours at u kilometers per hour and 3 hours at v kilometers per hour. Find the total distance traveled.
She's my student.
Uh-huh.
She's learning. Yeah, she has a little sister like you.
How old is she?
3. How old is your sister?
Two.
2.
2.5.
Yeah, she's younger. She's my youngest daughter. I have another daughter playing telephone here. Their school starts next Monday.
Oh, yeah.
Go play with your brother.
I forgot school's gonna start.
Yeah, here in Cambodia, it closes in May and opens in August. And hopefully it will open next week. Let's see. Oh, this is the last question?
It is? Oh, it is.
Finally, very good. Let's finish it.
A motorist drives for 5 hours at u kilometers per hour and 3 hours at v kilometers per hour. Find the total distance traveled.
Okay, let's draw here. You travel 2 different destinations, right? From A to B, B to C.
Okay. A to B and B to C. Okay. This was 5 hours.
Let's see, it's from A to B. Let's say this T1. T1 equals 5 hours.
Okay. That's u kilometers per hour.
That is speed, right? Let's write S. S1 equals.
Hour. That's
Okay.
S1. This one is
T2.
3 hours. T2. That v kilometers per hour.
Okay.
This is S2, right?
Uh-huh.
S2.
So we need to find the total distance, right? Let's say the total distance equals.
So that's distance over speed. So T equals distance over
No,
speed.
total distance, right? How do you find the total distance, Shahina? Here, total distance, right? Equals from A to B plus from B to C. And how do you find the distance? That is speed times time. And here we use different speed. That is S2 times T2. Now we know what is S1, right? What is S1? Here it is U kilometers, right? Per hour. And T1, it is 5. So that is 5U plus, how about S2? It is V. And how about time? 3. So that is 3V. And just put here in parentheses kilometers.
Oh.
Right?
So
Distance,
that's the
because
total
total distance moving from A to B, then B to C. And how do you find A to B? Speed times time.
Oh, so it's like 5U plus 3V. Okay. Okay. Should I leave it like that to the circulate it?
Shahana, first, can you write one by one? You didn't show your work here, right? Total distance equals.
Total distance equals.
Right, AB plus BC.
B plus
Capital B, capital B.
BC. Okay, AB plus BC.
Okay.
And
So
that's
equals, now what is AB? That is S1 times T1. That is speed times time. S1.
S1 times T1.
No, that's subscript notation, Shahina. S small one. Yeah, just write like this.
One
Times T1.
times.
Because distance is speed times time, right?
Okay.
Plus,
T1
how about BC?
plus
S2 times
S2
T2.
S2 times T2. And that also equals to U5. U5.
So Shahina, now, so far, we practice a lot. It is U5, right? We know that we don't write number. We write number before the variable. Just write 5U.
5U.
Okay, you are doing this mentally. 5U
5
plus, and how about V times
plus
3? It is 3V.
3V.
In
So
kilometers.
kilometers. And then dot, dot, dot,
5U
5
plus 3V
plus 3
kilometers.
Okay, let's save that. Should I send it or like?
Yes, save it.
Yes. Let's just.
Okay, now you need to save it, all the things in the folder. All are saved, right?
Yeah. How do I
Good.
save it on a folder?
So if you want to save somewhere else, do you have any folder? For example, that's
Yeah. It was called like math class something.
okay. Where is it? Click
Hold on, I
save.
think.
Click on save. For
Oh,
example,
these are
let's say,
chapter 1 example. So these are the chapter 1.
yeah, click on
So,
save. It's chapter 2, right? It's chapter 2.
okay. Can you see this?
No, I cannot see. If you
Oh,
share
okay.
your screen, I can see it. Because now you're sharing
Okay.
only the file.
Okay. So now, this is I
Okay.
think chapter 1X. This is another
Okay.
folder
How
that I
about chapter
have.
2?
Chapter
Do you
1.
have folder for chapter 2?
No, I think.
Okay,
So
open new folder at the top. Click on the new folder. Okay. Right, chapter 2. Actually, you should open this in outside. Okay, in desktop. Can you delete it? We don't,
okay. Delete.
yeah, delete that folder. Delete it.
Uh,
Delete. Okay. Click on desktop on the left, Shahina. Yeah, click on desktop. Okay,
yeah, I have this.
now new folder. Okay. So write chapter 2.
Chapter
Chapter. Okay. 2.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now, what is that file? Can you just show me that file? That's
Uh, this one. Uh,
2
2EF.
2EF. Yeah, open it. Or
Open
actually, you can also
save.
move this.
Okay, yeah, it's saved. Yeah.
Is
So.
it opening or?
Oh no. You can't see that because I'm not sharing it with that. This one. Yeah, here.
Okay, now
Because I
save and
shared
just
with
you can put it in some folder, or actually also you can move this file, like save it. Okay, choose a folder.
save.
Choose a folder. No. Wait. Okay, click yes. All right. Because you didn't choose folder yet, Shahan. Click on save again. Okay, now choose
So,
folder. Where's your folder?
chapter 2X.
Okay,
So open.
double click. Okay, now save.
Oh.
Okay, now it is in that folder now.
Oh, okay.
Now if you close, you can
I
find it
see.
there, okay? So
Okay.
Shahina, for each chapter, you should open also this A, B, C, D. You need to put it there, okay? So now Shahina, okay, this is done. Now I will give you G, H. We didn't have time. I was going to show you
Okay.
some, but also you can watch some videos that we already did before, or we can continue. But try as much
Oh,
as you can do, okay? So I will send you
can't,
now exercise GH. Okay, try to do these questions until Friday. Okay, Shahina?
GH, okay.
Yeah, Shahina, we are having class from 9:30 to 11 as we agreed.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I think it's also good for
Okay.
you. Also for me is fine. Okay.
Okay.
So I will meet you on Friday at 9:30.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Shahina, bye-bye.
Bye.